Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a try on haul with American Eagle. I went there for my birthday and I got some new jeans and a couple of new shirts, and I wanted to do a haul because I love American Eagle and I'm trying to switch it up, trying to do some different things on my channel. And so this was one of them that I have been really passionate about because I love clothes and I love styling. I'm gonna kind of show y'all how to dress some of them down and then up, because I think they can go both ways. I always think jeans can kind of go up. You can dress them up and you can dress them down. So I'm going to kind of show y'all how you can do that as well. But we're going to get into the video and I'm going to try all the clothes on for you. Okay, so first off, I'm going to do the jeans that I got. I got two different pairs and I want to style it with a different shirt and then show y'all with the shirts that I actually bought and show them with those. But I wanted to show the jeans just by themselves without the shirts. First is the Curvy high-waisted jeggings. I didn't know what I thought about these, to be honest. I was kind of nervous, but I have loved the high-waisted ever since I've had Jack. I really like high-waisted. It's just more flattering on my body after Jack. But my favorite thing about these is the rips in them. I cannot tell y'all the last time that I wore ripped jeans, to be honest. And these are so cute and flattering. I'll show y'all the bottoms of them. They are so cute. I absolutely love them. And also, another favorite thing is that they are stretchy, so you can see how stretchy they are, but they still stay up. I'm not having a problem with them falling down. I just think that the stretchiness is nice, especially when you sit down. Okay, now I'm gonna go in, I think, with my favorite shirt that I got there. So this was on the clearance. It was 60% off, so I would go get it now because it is their winter stuff. But it is a ribbed shirt, long sleeve. You can kind of see the ribbing on it. I love ribbed shirts. I think they're so flattering because they're very simple, but they give that ribbed look, so they have a little bit of detail on them. But I had tucked this in. Honestly, this looks even good just out like this. I would wear it like this as well. It has the slit on the side of the shirt, which gives it just a little bit more of a detail. I love shirts like that. I think they're really cute. And then it has the buttons, so you can kind of wear it down, or I think I have two down. Yeah, I have two of the buttons down and just kind of wear it out. And then you can tuck it in as well. I think this would look really cute with some joggers as well. I might style that for y'all so you can see, but I think it would look really cute with some joggers too. It's real laid back. It's not super thick. It's real lightweight. I did get a large in it. I went up just because I like the oversized shirts like this. So I did go up so that way I could tuck it in, and then it was kind of covering the booty. But I think you could definitely dress this up depending on what you wore. You could even put some of the wedged heels on this and kind of dress it up. I think it's very possible. So I love this shirt. Like I said, I would size up if you want it to be a little oversized, but other than that, it is a very loose fitting shirt. Okay, y'all, this might be my favorite outfit, honestly. It gives me that grunge look. I love it. I think it might be my favorite outfit today. Anyways, so this is the Rolling Stones t-shirt. I love this shirt. This was probably one of my favorite shirts that I picked out. I love graphic tees. They are super stylish. You can style them so many ways and they're so flattering, and I just love how they look. So I love the back. If you can see the back, let me see if I can get a better. It's hard to show the back. It has the tongue like the Rolling Stones. I love it. So cute. This would be even cuter if you tied it in a knot. I might do that. I kind of like the knot look. And then I have my Target combat boots on. I love these boots. So cute. But I have that with the same jeans. And I love this look. It's like the grunge heavy metal look. Okay, so I just tied it in a knot. Oh, I love that. I love that look. So cute. Okay, this might be my favorite. What do y'all think? This is so cute. Anyways, this was not on sale. This shirt wasn't on sale. I think it was like $29, but it's so cute. You could dress it like this with jeans, or you could have some joggers on and wear it around the house. So cute. I would even pair like a little leather jacket with it. It would be so adorable with that grunge look and the combat boots. Okay, now we are moving on to the other pair of pants. These are just the high-rise jeggings, just the plain ones. And I really love these. So they don't have as many slits, which I do like. They just have them at the knee, and then they have one little one down here. But this is a little bit more my style. I don't like as many holes, but I do like the knee ones. They're really nice. And I paired it with my Rolling Stones again. I was just showing y'all the pants, and then I have my Steve Madden on again. I do get the American Eagle jeans in short. That's one thing that I love about American Eagle, is that they have regular and short. And the short is really good for me because I am 5'1", and so you can see where the short goes down to me. So if you are taller than me and you don't like your jeans to be so long, you might try short and see. I got these, which if you go now, they'll still have it. It was the buy one, get the other one 50% off. So anyways, I do like these. Once again, they are high rise, so they go up. You can see how far they go up. And they are very flattering on the booty, very flattering. These are a little bit more skin tight than the curvy one. So if you like more of that, which I kind of do because I like to wear oversized t-shirts, then these are going to be your go-to. These are a little bit more light washed as well, which I like the more light washed too. So anyways, I love these. These are probably my favorite pants. They are not as stretchy up here. So if you like that, go with the stretchy, with the curvy ones, but I kind of like them a little bit skin tight sometimes, just because, depending on what I'm doing. So now we're going to get into the other two shirts that I got. These are probably my favorite shirts as well. If you have never tried the Soft and Sexy t-shirt line from American Eagle, I highly suggest you do. They are amazing. They are so soft, so flattering. I love them. So the thing that I love about these is you can really dress them up, or you can really dress them down. I could wear these with joggers and it would look amazing, or leggings, because they are long enough to cover the booty, as you can see. Or you can dress them up with some pants and jeans with the sneakers, or you can dress them up with some wedged heels as well. I just think they are so cute. They also have different ones. They have this scooped like this, or they have the v-neck, and I love that because I don't like the v-necks because I don't like showing too much. And so I love this scooped because it's more feminine than some of the other scooped shirts that I can find sometimes, but I really like them. They're so flattering. I love the tie-dye. They have like 3 different colors, I think they had, and I got 2, and I love this color. This is so pretty. The maroon color is so pretty. So I paired this with the jeans and the Steve Madden shoes. Like I said, I really like tucking in my shirts. I think it just kind of gives me more of a dimension because I'm very like straight, and so I like tucking them in, but you can wear it out like this and you can see it's still cute. I would even wear these with leggings because look how long that is. It covers my whole booty. So I would even pair this with some cute leggings and put on some tennis shoes, and it would look so cute. Okay, this last shirt is just like the other one, but I wanted to show it with the cardigan so you can kind of dress it up. It looks so cute, but it's just a different color. It's just a different color tie-dye, but it is still the same fit and everything. If y'all do not have these shirts, go get them. They are so amazing. But I just put a little black cardigan over it. You can kind of see it behind, but a black cardigan on it with the boots, the wedges, and I just kind of dressed it up. You can dress it up like this and it looks so cute. I haven't tucked it in. I don't like to tuck shirts in when I have a cardigan on, but you can, and it still looks cute. So this is just a way that you can dress it up. You can wear it to church like this. This would even be cute for church or an outing to go out on a date or anything. But you can dress it up, definitely. I love this look. This might be a good look that I have a go-to during the winter. I like it because it is the short sleeve, and then you could put a cardigan over it for the spring when it's still kind of a little cool but not hot enough to wear a sweater. So you could just put a little cardigan on it, and these are really pretty Easter and spring colors. Okay, y'all, that is going to be it for today's try on. I really hope that y'all loved this video. Give it a thumbs up for me, and if you like these kinds of videos, comment below and let me know so I know that I can keep doing them. I had so much fun. I love styling clothes, so this is my comfort zone. I absolutely love it. So let me know what y'all think, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
Like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space.